Hello, today I have not common car, a Saturn with problem with check engine light and too much fuel consumption, and I plug in diagnostic and I'll show you what the fault is. So we have fault P0010 with intake Camshaft Position Actuator Solenoid control circuit. So let's go. I show you how to check it. I already take this plastic cover and already unplug this connection. The fault was, and with connection plug. So show you how to measure. There is one intake, because here is intake side, this one exhaust, because this is exhaust side. So we have multimeter and I show you how to measure. We switch to the ohms. Firstly, I take measuring this one working exhaust actuator. It's showing us 15 ohms. Now I take to this one. So this one not showing nothing. This is bad. So I order new one. When it came, I have to replace this. To remove this solenoid, you have to remove only one screw down here. It's 10 millimeter right here. So we have to take this out. So the bolt is unscrewed. Then you can take it as just simple. I have new one, this is old one, and we can measure to compare. So a new one. Showing 10 ohms. The old one nothing. So let's go for this change.